Today we're talking about the Mighty Mug. This is my previous Mighty Mug. You might have seen my old video on it.
It's very old and destroyed.
Yeah, I drop my water bottles a lot and it didn't seem to like that. It still doesn't knock over, but if it did,
It's not so mighty anymore.
yeah.
This is a problem. And for many reasons, that's why I, ChonkerBox, and TechKidWiz are here to bring you the newest Mighty Mug technology.
Yes. We're here to bring you the newest Mighty Mug technology. Actually, yeah.
Let's cut it open.
Let's cut it open here. Good. I think we can peel it. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Peel it. Oh yeah. We got the peeling action there. Listen, ASMR peeling.
I'm so satisfied.
Yes.
Let's
And
take it out.
it seems like the old one came in a box.
This one did
This one did not.
This came in an Amazon bag. We don't need
Yes.
this anymore.
Okay, so it came with whatever that is. Came in one of these. And this is the mug. This one's stainless steel, so hopefully it should hold up better.
It's also blue.
Yes, and it's a redesigned cap. So it is the mug that won't fall over.
That's what it claims to be.
Yes. It shows like a punching thing, hitting it and it being fine. I'm not sure if they've actually revolutionized the suction cup from this one. But
There's smart grip technology. It is hot for 6+ hours and cold for 24 hours.
yes.
It is sweat-proof. It is BPA free.
It is car cup holder safe. And it has high quality stainless steel. And it's also dishwasher safe, which is great.
And you can't forget, it is 100% happiness guaranteed.
Yes. 100% of your happiness. If you're even just a little bit not happy,
It'll solve it.
yeah.
This
So-
is basically antidepressants, but better.
Yes, true. So,
Let's open her up.
yes, so it has a satisfying plastic here if you want to listen to it. And it ran out. Oh, there you go.
So satisfying.
So we have to take this off, yeah.
Don't litter. We're inside.
Don't let
so
it.
it's
Yes,
okay.
we're inside, it's fine.
Wow, it's so shiny.
Yeah.
It's
That was
good.
on it, yeah.
Here, wait, we don't want it to be wet.
So, yeah, let's put it here.
We can just.
Wow.
Whoa.
And you can just
So-
lift it up.
On this model, I have a model myself. It's black stainless steel, but this one, as opposed to the old one here, the wavy line is gone. It's just not there. I do believe they still sell this model on the Mighty Mug website.
I believe it's called the Mighty Mug Go or something like
Something
that.
like that.
Yes.
They have smaller models, just different overall. So I've made a review of the Mighty Mug, I think like 2 years ago. I was very ugly when I made that one. Go check it out. It'll be right here, and the link will be in the comments. Not the comments, the description. So on this one, it does leak. So we're gonna fill this up later.
Yes, because we have
The
paperwork.
So here's the paperwork.
Yep, and it comes in a little plastic bag so you don't lose it. Very helpful. There's a nice little thing that says it won't fall, which is great.
It won't.
Yeah, it won't fall. And it says how the Mighty Mugs works, which we know how it works. In just like a million different languages. Like, so, yeah. So it's just paperwork in like a million different languages.
So you gotta remember the Mighty Mug suction only works if it's on like a flat surface. If it's on your hand, it doesn't work. If it's on another Mighty Mug, it doesn't work. So how this one works, you press in the button and it'll allow you to drink. So as you see here, it has a little green surrounding area on the button. You can kind of see, I guess. And when it's pushed down, there's green around it. But when you push it back up and it, you can't drink from it, there's nothing.
Now let's take a look at how this system works. So it seems like when we press the button, that goes out and lets water through. And then when we press it again, it seals it. So this seems like a pretty durable cap. And it also has rubber along the bottom to make sure that it does not leak. So we should fill it up. I think we should fill it up just through the cap of this Mighty Mug.
This shows you how old and beat up this bottle is.
Yes, it's not open.
So
It's completely
sealed.
shut right now. This is ridiculous.
By the way, there is a line inside the Mighty Mug that says max. So if you fill it up above from there, I've done it before. If you fill it up above the max line, it's like, it gets harder to open the bottle and to some point impossible. So now we're going to close it up.
Yep.
Properly sealed.
Yes, we
So
must
now
properly seal.
it has water in it, if you can hear. If we turn it upside down. Whoa.
It doesn't even leak.
Not a single spillage, but obviously if you would press it down, well, yes,
Yeah.
we can test that.
Press it down, water goes through. Amazing,
Whoa.
isn't it?
It's like a water bottle.
Yeah. It's
Mighty.
just like a water bottle. And it's so mighty because it doesn't fall over.
Now, a question I do have is what happens when you place it on a wet surface?
Yes, and we have multiple of those at this point.
Now, it does slide a little bit, but I mean, it's not falling still. You can slide it around a little bit, but you know, it still doesn't fall really. Wow.
Yeah. Now the suction cup's wet. But
Okay.
that is the Mighty Mug. It's really amazing.
This is the stainless steel.
If
like,
it
blue
will.
one.
Let's see if it will work. This gaming controller thing for my phone. No, it does not.
Maybe I'll.
Sadly, there's not a big enough flat space on my Razer key sheet.
Anyways, this is the Mighty Mug. It is incredible. It's much better, in my personal opinion, than the old design, even at its peak performance.
It looks like this Mighty Mug, if it was dropped, the lip might break on it, but it seems like it would still stay sealed quite well.
And even if the lip broke, it wouldn't really hinder its, water drinking abilities. It might
Yes.
cut your lip a little bit if it's too sharp, but it wouldn't ruin the water bottle like you see on the old plastic model.
Yes.
Grab that.
Yeah.
See,
Like
as
on
you
the
can
old
see,
plastic model,
this
you
was-
can see there's a literal hole.
That's
Just-
not good.
Yeah.
And that's from one fall, isn't it?
Yeah, this
A
is from
high
one
fall,
fall.
but
It was pretty high, but it was a fall.
And we will not be testing if you drop this off 2 stories. But if you did, it would probably, break the lip a little bit. It would probably get dented, smeared a bit. But I think that'd be about it. It might break the button a little bit, but I don't think it would really affect the water bottle.
Yes, which is great.
So there's probably some test out there that drops it from like 2 stories, but not us. We're not doing that.
Yeah, I need this for water.
Yes. These are $25 if you want to get them online. Fortunately, there's no Mighty Mug store that I'm aware of in real life. But these are $25 online. You can get them off the Mighty Mug website that is in the description below. And also off of Amazon, apparently.
Yes.
So that's that, and this is the Mighty Mug.
And you you should subscribe.
To my channel, too.
Yeah. Link in the description.
And it's right here on the screen.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.